Welcome to TNT Tuesday. I'm Rachael Alexander, your host from Indigo Ray Creative, so let's dive in. So to get started, you're going to open up your Canva app on your iPhone, and once it loads, you want to type in YouTube thumbnail because that's what we're going to be creating in this video. And you see they have a number of options you can choose from as far as designs that you can select from their pre-made templates, but I'm going to go ahead and create one from scratch. And so if you select this plus sign to the right bottom corner, you'll see you have text, images, and all sorts of other things that you can add to your design. And if you click in the left hand corner, you can see each aspect of your slide. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a photo and add a photo of one of a past client that I took and just kind of create a mock YouTube thumbnail here. And I'm just going to position it and add a shape here and change the color of it to match my brand and just kind of center it here. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add a block of text here, and I'm just going to give it a title that I'm making up for a video that I probably will do in the future at some point. And then here I'm selecting my brand fonts, and I am going to make it italicized and just kind of resize it of how I want it to be on the thumbnail. And now I'm going to add another block of text here and go ahead and finish out my title so that it makes sense. And I'm going to select my other font type here and make it all caps. And then I'm going to go ahead and resize it and then reposition it to fit into the little box that I created. The great thing about Canva is that it has these great grid lines that you can use to make sure that everything is centered. So make sure you utilize that feature that they have in the Canva app on your iPhone. So now that I've added text, I'm now going to search for a camera illustration. And I think I'm going to select this one and change the colors to match my brand and just resize it here. And I'm going to put it at the top of this text and just kind of move this text a little bit down so I have some more room for my camera. And I think I'm going to add a circle after this to put a circle under it. Let me just resize that so it looks a little bit better. So I'm adding a circle. See, click the shape icon and you can add a circle. And I'm changing the color of my circle to fit my brand, but so that it is visible behind the camera. And now I'm going to just kind of finagle this. It can be a little bit tricky with Canva using it on your iPhone because it's not as easy when you're just using it on your laptop. So sometimes it can be a little wonky trying to center everything. So right now I'm just trying to center this behind the camera so that it can be centered in the way that I want it to. And now I'm just going to adjust this color because I don't think the black looks as well as the white does. So I'm just changing the color of my text there. And now I'm just going to add another shape here and just add another sort of border behind this one so that it will just give a different element to it. And here I'm just using Canva's automatic grids and centering it and just changing the color. So if you select in this top right hand corner and you'll see I'm pressing the down arrow here, you can reposition the elements to be in front of or behind. And now I'm just selecting the top right hand icon to save my thumbnail. You can save it as a JPEG or a PNG. I recommend a PNG here, and then now it's saved directly to my phone. So now I'm going to exit out of Canva here and then go ahead and go into my YouTube Studio app. And then I'm going to select a video that I want to upload this thumbnail to. I'm going to select that pencil icon in the right hand corner and just hit the video, edit thumbnail, and select my thumbnail from my timeline here. And once that's there, I just press select and save. And now this thumbnail has been added to the video that I just selected a video for the purpose of this training. But once you've uploaded the video, it will appear in your YouTube Studio app on your phone. And that's when you can actually edit the thumbnail and add the thumbnail to your video. So I hope that this video has been helpful. And as you can see here, once you go to your actual videos on your YouTube, you'll see that the thumbnail has now updated. So yeah, that is basically how you create and upload your YouTube thumbnail to YouTube. If this video has been helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend and subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be bringing you more useful tech and tutorial tips to you every Tuesday. So stay tuned. Again, my name is Rachael Alexander with Indigo Ray Creative, where I help coaches, entrepreneurs, and small business owners align, design, and launch their brands and businesses online and offline. So I will catch you later. Peace, love, and light.